Before we look at exactly what is planted on this farm and how the system is managed, it's important to understand why high-density grazing has become such an effective production system for many Dorper farmers. Traditional continuous grazing allows animals to stay in the same camp for extended periods. While that system can work, it often results in animals repeatedly grazing the same plants before they've had enough time to recover. Over time, pasture quality declines, desirable grasses disappear, and carrying capacity can decrease. High-density grazing works very differently. Instead of allowing sheep to spread across a large area, they group together in a relatively small movable grazing cell for a short period. Once they've grazed that section, they're moved onto fresh forage while the previous area is left to recover. That recovery period is one of the biggest reasons this system works so well. Plants need time to rebuild their leaves, root reserves after being grazed. When they receive enough rest, they grow back stronger, produce more forage, and remain productive for much longer. Rather than constantly weakening the pasture, you are actively encouraging healthy regrowth throughout the season. On this farm, approximately 20 hectares have been developed specifically for this high-density grazing system. Instead of relying only on natural veld, different forage crops are planted to provide highly nutritious grazing. Depending on the season and production goals, these planted pastures may include crops such as maize, together with other carefully selected forage species that complement one another. By combining improved planting grazing with a controlled rotational system, every hectare can produce significantly more than if it were managed as continuous grazing. One of the biggest advantages is improved feed utilization. When animals are stocked at a higher density for a short period, they graze much more evenly instead of only selecting the favorable plants. This reduces waste, encourages more uniform grazing, and helps farmers make better use of the forage they've already produced.